What is going on, Turbo Toad family? Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I know that I am, even though the markets are looking very brutal right now. I thought we were in only up October. What the heck happened? Well, the markets, particularly Bitcoin, Ethereum, had a massive pullback. But does that mean that things are over? Absolutely not. Just hold the line, guys. Things are going to be okay. We're going into the weekend. Yes, the markets are down, but that does not mean that the bull cycle is over. If you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. I talk about crypto every single day. And I just want to say, guys, all of your guys' help, all you guys' support, it matters. So if you guys can, help your boy out by subscribing, because I upload turbo videos every other day here on this channel without fail. I've been doing it for like the past 17, 18 months now. So if you guys appreciate that, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and like this video so YouTube actually pushed it out to more people on the algorithm. With that being said, family, let's get right into today's video. Now, obviously, for those of you that have been following Turbo for a while, you know that this project it's different, right? It's listed on basically every single exchange that you could think of. So it has that social presence. It has a cult-like following. And, you know, we've been talking about this project since it was at 303, 304 range. If you guys go back on the channel, you can see the oldest video that I made on Turbo, guys. It was actually like genuinely back, I want to say April 2023, or sorry, April 2024, somewhere around that time. And back then Turbo was trading at 3 zeros range. Now ever since then, obviously has gone up, almost got close to, or sorry, went over a penny. And since then, guys, we haven't reached those levels yet. And a lot of people are wondering the same exact question: is Turbo going to go back to that level? Is it going into billions? Is it going into 10 billion, 20 billion? And let's find out, right? The thing is, guys, a lot of money right now isn't going into meme coins, right? A lot of people are buying either Bitcoin or Ethereum. But retail investors, when they figure out that, hey, this bull market is ramping up, Ethereum is breaking all-time highs, Ethereum's at $6,000, they're going to be flooding into these markets, and they're going to be going to these mainstream exchanges, right? Your Coinbases, your Robinhood, your Binance, your Upbit. These are the exchanges that they're going to be going to in order to buy these plays. Whereas there's people like you and me, the ones that are watching this right now, who I would consider, you know, degenerate traders that are in the trenches. We are the type of people that are, you know, buying base meme coins, that are buying Solana meme coins, that have dabbled with BNB meme coins, which, by the way, if you don't know how to buy BNB meme coins, I made a video on it yesterday. But the average retail investor, they don't know how to use decentralized wallets. They don't know how to use these bridges. They don't know how to go on Uniswap. So they are buying on central exchanges, which is why, guys, when retail FOMO hits in, they're going to be buying these mid-cap meme coins, such as Turbo, such as Toshi, such as Brett, such as Pepe, because they're going to be thinking, I've heard this thing called Shiba Inu. I've heard this thing called Dogecoin. This could potentially be next. Now, the reason that Turbo is so bullish, guys, is because, first of all, there's no KOLs. There's no paid KOLs for Turbo. Everything was grassroots. It was all organic. Started from a guy who has been in crypto for a really long time, right? Rep Mankind from New Zealand. He was initially someone who liked collecting NFTs. And in 2023, when he released Turbo, he realized that there's a shift that's happening. No one really cares about NFTs anymore, and they're shifting their focus. So AI hasn't blown up recently as well. So he was like, you know what, let me use AI and generate a meme coin. And we got Turbo. With also, the community had a say in what Turbo is going to be as well, right? From the AI spitting out different images to different names, the community had its say in what it was going to be, which is why I believe that Turbo is so different, okay? Turbo began as a bold experiment in crypto, inspired by the power of AI. The project's creator turned to GPT-4 with a simple challenge: create the next great meme quiz, starting with a budget of $69. Now it's basically all run by the community, and I want to say the community for Turbo has to be one of the most cult-like communities. This community, guys, is insanely bullish. One of my favorite communities to be a part of, because they welcome you with, honestly, open arms. Shout out to all the good actors that are in the space. Again, you guys deserve the gains that are going to eventually come. Now, you guys know they came out with a turbo chain. They came out with a turbo swap. And with turbo swap, guys, every time a swap has been done, a certain amount of turbo also gets burned. Now, this is being done manually. A certain amount of turbo gets sent to a burn wallet, listed on over 130 chain exchanges. And again, that is why I believe, guys, this project is only just getting started. Now, the price of it is at $220 million market cap. You guys know me, I like to look at things with the market cap because it gives you a better idea of everything. The overall crypto market right now sitting at $3.99 trillion. I was hoping that we never dip below that $4 trillion mark again. Unfortunately, here we are. Fear and greed index is back at 54, back to neutral levels, guys. Had a crazy dump in the markets, right? You can see Ethereum down 5.38%, Bitcoin down 2.55%. And one thing that I can tell you guys for sure is that these prices are not going to last long. I want to be very clear when I say this, guys. These prices are going to bounce, they're going to recover, and this is the time that you want to take advantage of these dips, especially when it comes to your mid caps as well, right? Turbo sitting on that support area mixed in with that 0.786 right now. This is a very good area to be accumulating, guys. Obviously, not financial advice, but if you guys are looking for the perfect entries, the perfect exits into some of your favorite cryptos, you want to make sure that you are part of the Memecoin Mastery. This is my private Discord, guys, where you get access to my buy and sell calls. So if you want access to that, make sure you guys join up, guys. There's a link in the description to go ahead and join the private Discord. And the reason I'm telling you guys to be a part of it is because, guys, it is now more important than ever to be a part of a community, right? Your network is genuinely your net worth. And let me read you guys this tweet here really quick. I think it was by, the dude himself, Andrew Tate. I didn't even post anything on my Twitter in a while. Look at this, right? The internet is currently the best networking tool in existence. If you're in the right circles, you made hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars this year simply by pressing the buy button when your friends told you to buy. Listen, guys, even if it's not my community, just go ahead and be a part of a community because your net worth is your network, okay? Huge news, our partnership with Bits on Chain is live. On Monday, follow the steps for instant app access and exclusive quest to just for the Turbo community. Stay early. Now, Bitso on Chain, it looks like. Hey, if you guys want to use this app, you could go ahead and do that. Again, pretty cool. Warning to all Turbo holders, we're going to be extremely rich in the next 1 to 2 months. Turbo dropped along with the entire market. Don't spread FUD just because you bought the top a few months ago. Many altcoins that actually have problems are hitting another all-time high lows now due to Trump. Turbo has simply returned to the levels it was at 2 weeks ago. Hey, Robinhood, now this is what I like to see, guys. If you're a Turbo holder, you want to make sure that you are shilling to these exchanges. When are you listing Turbo? We've already been listed on over 130 exchanges. Listing in the account I use for trading will help to fund and buy directly. Waiting for more than a year for this. Turbo setting up for a clean bounce. Channel support held strong. Upside target points to 15+%. Obviously, guys, we did have a little bit of a dump in the markets right now. Everything crashed, so it's not just Turbo. So, hey, still have conviction in your plays. The best move to make at certain times could be no move at all. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care and peace out, guys.